In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your personal life in ClickUp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Are you ready to finally get your personal life organized all in one place using ClickUp? Well, today I'm excited to walk you through a quick and straightforward method to set up an efficient personal organization system within ClickUp. We'll be using a simple hierarchy and templates to make it all come together. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to manage your tasks, routines, appointments, and so much more, all while reducing stress and avoiding overwhelm. So let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open ClickUp and navigate to your home dashboard. It can be very tempting to wander around and see what's available, but today, let's be efficient. Instead, we're going straight to your team space. To do this, look over to the left side of your screen and hover your mouse over the team space section. You should see a list of all your spaces pop up. Find the one that you want to use for organizing your personal life. When you hover over it, you'll notice 3 little dots appear. Those dots are your golden ticket to customization in ClickUp, so go ahead and click on those. Once you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you want to select the option labeled Template. Now, if you haven't explored templates in ClickUp before, don't worry. Think of them as pre-built structures that can instantly set up your workspace, kind of like a resume template or a recipe for a favorite dish. When you select Template, a panel should pop up that allows you to browse existing templates. This part might take a moment since ClickUp offers a multitude of options. But remember, today we are keeping things simple. In that template browser window, you'll find a search bar. Go ahead and type in Personal or Personal Life. This search will filter out all the project management and team workflow templates, showing you only those designed specifically for organizing personal routines, goals, or life tasks. As you browse through these options, if you're just starting out, look for a template that feels straightforward to you, such as a personal life organizer or one that aligns with your specific needs. If you're feeling unsure about which one to choose, aim for a template that contains sections for daily tasks, routines, or important dates, because those elements are crucial for keeping your personal life on track. Once you've found a template that resonates with you, go ahead and click Use Template. You'll then be prompted to name your template. It's a wise idea to select a name that stands out to you, like My Personal Dashboard or Life Planner. This way, you'll be able to recognize it easily later if you want to tweak or duplicate it. Now, your new template should be loaded into your space, ready for customization. Take a minute to breathe and skim through each section. You might discover categories or tasks that you don't need, or even think about adding a few extra lists to cater to your unique routines. For instance, you may want to incorporate a weekly meal planning list, a habit tracker, or create specific folders for your appointments and reminders. And here's the good news. Don't feel pressured to get everything perfect right off the bat. You can always come back and make adjustments later. There's one critical tip I want to share. Every time you make changes, be sure to update the template to keep it aligned with the real data you'll be entering. Just like staying current with your budget spreadsheet, maintaining an up-to-date template means you'll always have a reliable snapshot of your personal life. Now here's a little bonus tip to make your experience even smoother. Consider pinning your personal space to your sidebar or adding custom views like a calendar or board. This way, you'll keep everything front and center, ensuring you never miss a beat in your organization flow. And that's really all there is to it. After you've named, customized, and updated your template, you're now ready to use it as your personal life hub inside ClickUp. Keeping things simple and streamlined is key. Using a template effectively means you can start organized instead of feeling bogged down by tedious setup tasks. I truly hope this tutorial has helped make organizing your personal life with ClickUp a breeze. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and drop any questions you might have in the comments below. I absolutely love answering them. And of course, if you'd like more easy guides just like this, tap subscribe so you never miss out on any future content. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.